my leads do come straight from Facebook into my CRM already. Is there any
Okay.
way to make it to where I don't have to keep exporting the leads and importing the leads? Like, do I have to import every single time? Because what if I get 30 leads a day? I have to do this every day.
No, no, no. We can set up the webhook integration for that. So leads will automatically come once the contacts get created using the Facebook. The leads will automatically come into PowerDialer.
Yeah, that's what I want.
The
I'm
webhook
also
for
going to
that.
be marketing this for you guys too, because I'm marketing my CRM.
I
And
see.
one of the selling points is that it's gonna come with a integrated dialer. So it'll just like Wave Dialer, like GoHighLevel, how they sell Wave Dialer sold
Yes.
separately, but it's already in the CRM. I'm gonna sell my CRM as like a package deal where like it has all of my sales tracking, my opportunities, like my texting workflows, a power dialer,
Okay.
everything
Mhm.
like that. So like the power dialer, this is like the best dialer, so it should be easy to sell. I
I
like
see.
power dialer a lot better, and it's like it works
Mhm.
better for different things like this.